Welcome to Automation Masters. This is the New York Open. We are trading live with the Sumari AutoTrader robot. It took a super sniper entry there when the market started to go down, dropping from that resistance area, and then we took a sell. Look how much it went down. This is on USD and the market is still live, and the board is still holding the sell because it's seeing that there is quite good probability of the market continuing to push down. And as you know what they say about wicks. Wicks don't lie, therefore wicks must be filled. This super trading robot, it trades based on full market price action. And then you know what they say about price action. I always tell you that price action is king, and therefore the Sumari AutoTrader robot is the king of all kings. EuroCAD. And then now we took a sell on EuroCAD. The market is bouncing on this level. I'm just waiting to see if it is going to buy or is it going to continue holding the sell. And if it does continue to hold the sell, it means it's going to be a retracement trade moving all the way down to the bottom. But what I like is the fact that it took a sniper entry there at the top when the market was moving down here on this EuroCAD. And then now on US Tech, woo! Boop, 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 boop. How beautiful is that? This is the US Tech sniper entry buying there when the New York Open took place. We took a buy, and as you can see, this buy it's still shooting all the way to the top. That is what I'm talking about when I say it's time to trade. Literally the sentence I'm talking about this. This is a super trading robot. It's not just an auto trader robot, it's a super trading bot because it's doing super mongondovious things in the market, baby. I like what it has done with US Tech. This is Nasdaq 100s. We are milking it 100 times. Brokers are definitely bleeding at this point. And that is why we are going to continue trading with the Sumari AutoTrader robot. Now I'm looking at US30. It's Dow Jones stats, baby. Sniper entry buying. Boop, 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 boop. We bought there at the bottom, and the market is shot all the way to the top. This is a sniper entry that we took when exactly the New York Stock Market Exchange started trading. We're currently on the New York market session, and we are milking it hard with the Sumari AutoTrader robot. It's trading in full automation. All trades are being executed automatically. It opens and closes all trades in full automation. Let's quickly look at gold. Woo! Even gold. We took a buy on gold and spiking all the way to the top. As you can see, this level, this area is trying to give such a serious resistance, but we took a step buy just at the resistance level, and then we shot all the way to the top. The board is still holding the buy because it's peaking a very strong bullish momentum with this price action. It's trading in full automation. See that smiley face? It means it's in full automation. It is being executed automatically. This is the power of the Sumari AutoTrader robot. This is the best trading robot of 2024. There's no robot that can trade like how the Sumari AutoTrader robot is trading. Then now you've seen all the instruments. We've showed you all the instruments, and it is 100% move. USA30, we've got US Tech, we've got your EuroCAD. EuroCAD is now pushing back to the bottom. That's why it's still holding over there. Then we've got USD-CAD. It is 100% winning strike. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instruments, 5 out of 5. That is the power of the Sumari AutoTrader robot. Get your hands on this super trading auto trading robot so that you can be able to take your trading game to the next level. So just a little bit, you need to know that with this bot, when you buy it, at least have a proper funded account because it trades multi-instruments, and if you are to see the full power of it and plug it on different instruments, your account needs to be a very good account. Now I'm signing out. Let me catch you tomorrow morning when again we milk the London market open. It's been 2 weeks in a row, 100% winning streak. We don't play. We're moving with fire. This is the Sumari AutoTrader robot. I'm signing out. I'm in the streets, so hard. Automation
teach the masses, we be raising the bar. Forex trading, we got the skill. Sumari, robot, yeah, it's the real deal. Money flowing like a river, we don't play games. We stay focused, we stay in our lanes. Trade